Hi, I'm Landry Argabright with A-Bright Exterior Cleaning, and today we're soft washing a metal roof here in Mountain View, Arkansas. Here's the right side of this roof before and then after. Just a simple chemical wash. Now, the middle section of this roof here in Mountain View, Arkansas, 2 stories with a window right in the middle of this portion. Just got the first application down, now we're coming back to rinse it, just to rinse everything off, rinse all the dead growth off, and to get that brand new look again. This is all low pressure, and on a metal roof that matters twice over. High pressure dries water up under the panels and back through the seams where it has no business being, and it wears on the painted finish. The coating is what keeps a metal roof from corroding. So once you've damaged it with high pressure, you've started a much more expensive problem. Jonathan gave us this review. He said, I had Landry with A-Bright Exterior Cleaning do some window washing, pressure washing, and soft washing for me. I was highly impressed with his work and professionalism. I highly recommend. Thanks, Jonathan. You can see that bright finish at the end with the sun shining on the metal roof. Now we're cleaning some windows in the sunroom, starting on the outside with an abrasive, a lot of soap, some tape removal inside and out. Same thing for the inside. You can already see the clear view coming back.